Yeah, so we have also decided today to uh, discontinue the optional subject uh, in the MCS competitive exams. Now, as you know, in the competitive exams, there are certain set subjects, and apart from the certain set subjects, there is an optional subject. So a student can take the optional subject as mathematics, as geography, history, whatever, and there are 23 of them. Now, what happens is that because of the optional subjects, sometimes the level playing field is not there because it depends on those 23 subjects that are optional. Some years, some optional subjects are easier compared to others. Sometimes the marking systems are easier compared to others. And there seems to be kind of an undue advantage that comes as per the optional subject the individual takes. So there are 23 of them. And also, it is a huge task for MPSC to conduct these optional exams that are there. And therefore, based on the recommendations that have been given by the MPSC itself and by a MPSC reform committee that was formed quite some time back, this particular decision has been, this particular suggestion has been given, and we have decided in the cabinet to accept that suggestion. And this optional subject paper that was there in the MCS service is now going to be removed. And in the future, rather, we will have a subject which will be on Meghalaya. We will introduce a subject on Meghalaya where we would like to ask and allow our, the uh, candidates to know the different aspects of Meghalaya, its economics, its culture, its different aspects of its, of its history. All of these things will be introduced in the Meghalaya subject because you're going to be officer of the Meghalaya Civil Service. So therefore, we'll remove the optional subject and we will put in a subject on our state of Meghalaya. And of course, there'll be different aspects to it. So those details, there will be a committee or a group of officials who will work that out and recommend on what kind of subjects and what aspects should be put in there.